My name is Biyinzika Joshua. I'm a Teach For Uganda Alumni from Cohort. I come from a background of IT. I did a bachelor's degree in information technology, but then I wanted to try out something new, something whereby I'm creating impact, I'm causing change, and I'm developing my leadership skills. And when I joined the fellowship, I actually realized that there were so many challenges that the children and the community were going through. One of the challenges was menstrual hygiene health. We find that most of the girls were not going to school because of lack of pads, because they never had pads and they feared that stigma of maybe menstruating at school. The stigma that they will face was making the girls stay at home. We collaborated with an organization called Imagine Her, and we taught girls how to make pads. And even in that community of making reusable pads, we also included the boys, because it's actually better if the boys know what the girls are going through, so that they don't actually laugh at them. And also another project that we did was a football project. It was sponsored by the Hurricane Foundation, because we find that so many children drop out of school because school is not fun. The teachers come, they are tough, they teach them all day without having anything to cool down their minds, to relax, and to make school interesting and fun. So what we did was we started a club of boys, and we also started the first football club in my school, in Kanyabwina. We started the first girls football club in Kanyabwina, and it actually built amazing results, because there are so many girls who actually looked up to that period of playing football. So many girls always looked up to that time when they could get time and play football, express themselves, and also have fun in playing football. And also after the football sessions were done, we could actually give them career guidance of staying in school, how to grow as a person. It wasn't actually just football, it was actually more than football. And one of the lessons that I learned from the fellowship is you have to be resilient. You have to know the reason why you came for the fellowship, because you're going to find challenges. For example, sometimes people may take long to understand what you're doing. Sometimes you can face resistance. Sometimes you can be taken in a remote area, but you have to be persistent, because you cannot achieve anything without being persistent. So what I learned is you have to be resilient. And also what I learned is you have to be the change that you want to create. If you want to initiate a project, you have to be part of the project. You have to take the initiative. If you go to a school and teachers are coming late, be an example and don't come late. If you're in a school and the classrooms are boring, they are not appealing, have your class which is good, design your class in an appealing way. The Teach For Uganda Fellowship has been a rewarding and has been a challenging and a rewarding experience that has actually not left me the same. It has actually developed me as a leader and as a person, and right now I'm a lifetime advocate of quality education. There are so many education issues that people actually don't know the extent of how they are affecting the children. For example, in my school, parents could not afford 2,000 for school fees. And you find that so many people don't know how much that is affecting. They don't know the extent of how that is affecting education. The fellowship is a rewarding and amazing experience, and I will encourage young people who are passionate in education and creating change to join the fellowship.